The 5 levels of the CSI protocols, which is construction scene investigation protocols. They're unique. There's nothing else in the nation like it, or even worldwide. But it came from 4,000 forensic investigations and thousands of building envelope remediations to put these protocols together to analyze, develop, and diagnose the top 100 most deadliest sins in the construction industry. If I gave you the top 5, it has to do with design and engineering. If you start off wrong, you can't end up right. If you can't design the building right, don't expect the general contractor to put it together. You've already started off wrong. You got your cart before the horse. The design and the engineering has to be right. That's the first dynamic. The second one is the building. If you don't do the design right, if you cannot take those 50,000 pieces and put it together to function properly, you're going to have a failure. The third element is being able to recognize when you have a failure. You got 600 guys, or a residential home, you got 40 guys, and they're all putting all these pieces together. You got to understand to be able to see when those subs are deficient or they forget something as their multiple integration of those trades come together. You have to form one piece. The roofing, kick-out, flashings, the cladding system, the window guy, all these different dynamics are all come together very quickly. Time is money. So to create from having a train wreck, you got to be able to see all the different dynamics coming together. And if you can't see it, the building will be done, and you inherently built latent construction defects within your own building assembly. The third dynamic is once that happens, now how do you properly diagnose all these hidden things? And with US Building Consultants, we can hook a building up to an X-ray, infrared, nuclear technology. We can find those problems. Most companies can't. So the third element is you've got to be able to properly diagnose those problems after construction, no matter if it's a residential, commercial, high-rise buildings. The fourth dynamic is then you have to have the ability, after diagnosing these problems, after understanding, to be able to write a repair methodology that's going to work and not just be a Band-Aid. And last but not least, you've got to be able to execute. And most people fail in the execution phase. Those are just the 5 dynamics, and with 20 of the most deadly sin in each one of those categories, that's 100 ways to fail in the industry.